ये पापा students. Now we will do exercise 7b, question number 7. Find the value of y in the given sets of supplementary angles. A part is given to you, and you can see this is a figure is given to you. This is 44 degree, and unknown angle y is unknown. We have to find the value of unknown angle. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. I will solve this question by using formula, and the formula is supplementary angle is formula of supplementary angle is okay, y is equals to a straight angle minus given angle. Y is equals to straight angle is always equals to 180 degree minus 44 degree. 180 minus 44 degree gives us 126 degree. It means that given angle, this angle value of angle y is 126 degree. If you add 126 in 44, it will give us 180 degree. And it means that 44 and 126 are supplementary to each other. When we add 44 in 126, it will give us 180 degree. Similarly, the next question is B part of this question is this: the given angle is 150 degree and the unknown angle is angle y. I will solve this question using formula, and the formula is angle y is equals to straight angle GHT straight angle minus given angle. Okay, this is formula to find an unknown supplementary angle. Put the values. Angle y is equals to straight angle is always equals to 180 degree. Tip to remember is supplementary angle, S for supplementary angle and S for straight angle. 180 minus, in this diagram, in this figure, the given angle is 150 degree. Subtract 150 from 180 and it will give us 30 degree. So 30 degree is supplementary to 150 degree. When we add 30 in 150, it will gives us 180 degree. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180. This is the basics, and now we will do the C part. C part, the same, a diagram is given to you. Unknown angle is y and the known angle is angle 60. This 60 degree is unknown, known angle. We will use the formula y equals straight angle minus given angle. S for straight and S for supplementary. And you know that straight angle is always equals to 180 degree. 60 minus 180 will gives us 120 degree. It means that this unknown angle y is 120 degree. Now if you add 120 in 60 degree, it will gives us 180 degree. D part is y, unknown and known angle is 85 degree. Using the formula method, y is equals to straight angle minus given angle. To remember, tip to remember, I am repeating that S for straight, S for supplementary. Straight angle is always equals to 180 degree minus 85, it will gives us 95. This unknown angle y is 95. If you add 95 in 85, it will gives us 180 degree. Both are, it means 95 is supplementary to 85. When we add 95 and 85, it will gives us 180 degree. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180 degree. In E part, using the formula method, y is equals to straight angle minus given angle. Straight angle is 180 degree and given angle is 100 degrees. Subtract 100 from 180, it will gives us 80 degree. It means that unknown angle is 80 degree. If you add 100 in 80, it will gives us 180 degree. Two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180. 100 is known angle and unknown angle y is 80 degree. 100 plus 80 gives us 180. Similarly, in F part of the question, this y is unknown angle, this one, and this is 43 degree. This angle is 43 degree. It's not 143 degree. It is looking like 140, but it is only 43 degree, right? It is 43 degrees is given angle. Why we have to find unknown angle y when the given angle is 43? Using the formula method, y equals straight angle minus given angle. Straight angle is 180, given is 43. When we subtract 43 from 180, it will give us 137 degrees. It means that this unknown angle y is 137 degree. Now, if you to check whether our answer is right or wrong, if you add 137 in 43, it will gives us 180 degree, right? The two angles are supplementary if their sum is 180. 43 is supplementary to 137 degrees. Means when we add for 137 in 43, it will gives us 180 degree.